Today I'm going to open this present I got from church. This is it.
Wow!
Got a car.
Wow, it's another boom boom boom, Iwan. Wow, pintasan, boom boom boom. Ah, I remember boom boom boom.
It's a new car. I think you can open this one.
Guys, yung gift ni Super Iwan, no? Nagpintasan. Wow, boom boom boom, ha?
You said
Okay.
to break it. Okay, I will break it, but I can't seem to find. Oh, I found it.
You found it?
Yeah, it's just tape.
Oh, just tape. Can you open it?
I think.
Open na lang. Just open the tab. Lift up the tab.
Lift up.
Yan. Boom 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 again, ha? Marami. Bigyan natin ng boom 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 si Kwan. Just pull the box. Yan. Yeah. Ooh, oh, it's heavy, ha? Oh, I think it's metal. Oh, guys, ito yung regalo ni Super Iman, no? Nice. Tignan yung tatak, oh. Oh, Mercedes-Benz, guys, na Tudor, oh. Ang ganda ng regalo niya. Wow! Sports car Mercedes-Benz.